Alrighty, I got a brand new Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. This is a 2016 radio, brand new out of the box. It's been beyond peaked and tuned and receiver aligned. The receiver's got Schottky diodes and a hard to find Sanyo transistor in the receiver gain spot, so you'll get better sensitivity and lower noise. A lot of work has been done to this radio. A lot of hours put in. Let's go ahead and check it out on the bird meter here. So we got a 5-watt slug. So we'll be reading this middle scale here. That's 2 watts right here. Dead keying it now. Coming in right about 2 watts. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the peak power. Go ahead and take the slug out. Go ahead and put in 50-watt slug. So we got a 50-watt scale. So that's 50 watts right here in the middle. 20 watts. 30 watts. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. So you can see it swinging up to 35 watts. Pretty dirty. The talkback on this radio has been modified to be extra loud. Radio check 1, 2. Radio check 1, 2. Got a Connex echo board in the Delta tune spot here. Break 19 for radio check. Got a copy on my little radio. Come on. And you can adjust it however you like. Hello. Check. 1, 2. Or you can slow it up a little bit. Hello. 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 Or you can turn it off. Well, there you have it, folks. It's a very good, clean, strong running radio. Thanks for watching.